Hey guys, welcome back to Exquisite Books. My name is Basit and today I'm going to tell you how you can record your deposits and how you can receive payments from your customers. So one way of recording your income is by generating sales invoice, and if you are following accrual basis of accounting, when you will raise the sales invoice, so that amount will be treated as your sales and it will appear on profit and loss statement. And if your customers pay you in cash, like you don't have any credit terms, so you can record your incomes by generating sales receipt. So let me show you how. First we have to go to sales, and here these are some of the sales. You can see the invoice estimates and the journal entry as well. So let's generate a sales receipt. Now a sales receipt acts as a combination of the sales invoice and deposits. When I will record a sales receipt, so this means that I have provided the services and my customer has also paid me on the same time. Let's have a look. Let me add a new customer. Let's say the name is Volatile LLC. And let's say that today is 27th of September and today we are providing some sales to a customer. You can fill out the other details, the receipt number and all the other things. So the service date, let me choose it the same, 27th, and this time I provided an IT consultancy, and let's say that was for 2 hours for at the rate of $250 per hour. So the total is $500 for this invoice, and let's click save. Now let me create one more sales receipt. Let's click save and new, and let me create another customer for this sales invoice, and let's say that customer is maybe a customer, and let's say this time the service date is the same, and the product, instead of services we sold some of the monitors. Let's say we sold 3 monitors for $400 each. So the total for the invoice is $1,200, and I'll click save. Now I have just created 2 sales receipt, and this has raised my sales by $1,200 and the other amount that I just created. Now let's go to the chart of accounts and let's see the register. Let's check the bank register, and this is the parent account bank, and let me check the register, and you can see here that 2 of the sales receipt are appearing here. If I edit these, here you can see that this says deposit to. Instead of choosing a specific bank account, it was chosen by default the bank, that is the parent account. Let's reclassify it as Bank of America checking and save. Let's do this same with the other receipt as well. I think this is the second one, and on the bank, instead of the bank, the parent account, I will classify it to Bank of America checking account. Although I have classified these 2 transactions to the Bank of America checking account, but still they are appearing here because this is the parent account. This will show you the accumulated all of the transactions for the subsidiary accounts or the sub accounts as well. Now let's go back to chart of accounts and let's go to this Bank of America checking account. and you can see that the two of the sales receipt that I just generated are appearing here. So this is one of the way you can record your sales. You can by generating sales receipt. The another way is that instead of generating the sales receipt, I can also add the deposits in this register. So I am in my chart of accounts. I can choose any bank or petty cash. So let's choose this checking account. So there is just one journal entry, that is the opening balance, and I can create my sales on this ledger as well. How? Let me show you. Here I'll click deposits. I'll select the payee. Let's say this is maybe tech traders. On the memo I can write maybe sale of monitors, and the deposit amount is $500, and the account I have to classify it as my income account. Let's see, let's select sales of product income because this is a product, and I'll click save. Now this has recorded my deposit, and this is the sales. We can also check by going to the reports, and I'll see the profit and loss report here. Let's go to the profit and loss, and let's select all the dates, run report, sales of product income. Let's see. You can see the deposit appearing here. The date is 27th of September, the deposit, the name of the customer, and this is the name of the account in which this amount is deposited, and this is the amount. So this is another way you can record your income by directly going to the chart of accounts. Go to any checking account in which you want that amount to be deposited. You can also select petty cash in case if you are receiving cash payments from your customer. So this concludes our second way how we can record our sales. Now the third method is quite simple. You just have to go to sales and raise a sales invoice. As simple as that. You can raise a simple invoice. Now it is up to you, it is up to your business practices whether you want to generate a sales invoice directly, or whether there is a condition to raise estimate first, and the customer is going to approve the estimate, and then a sales invoice will be generated. But again, it is up to the business practice you are following. There is no compulsion to raise an estimate first. You can directly raise a sales invoice. So let's select this ABC, and the service date, let's keep it the same. The product and services, now these are the product and services that I already have created. You have to create the product and services, only then the product and services will appear here in this drop down. So let's say that this is an installation service, and it took 1 hour to install things, and the rate is $200. I can give some discount if I want, maybe 10%. I can also give a flat discount instead of giving the discount as a percentage. So let's say maybe I want to give $10 as a discount. So this is up to you, and simply click save, and your invoice is saved, and this have recorded your sales. So this is the third way you can record sales in the QuickBooks Online.